Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Acorns, a popular investing app that makes it easy to start saving and investing your money. But before we get into the details, I want to ask you a question. What is the minimum investment required to start with Acorns? This is a question that a lot of people ask, and I'm going to answer it in this video. But first, I want to give you some background on Acorns. Acorns is a micro-investing app that allows you to invest your spare change automatically. You can link your bank account to Acorns, and every time you make a purchase, Acorns will round up the amount to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 75 cents. 1. Thetaentrepreneur.com. Thetaentrepreneur.com. Acorns also offers a variety of investment strategies, so you can choose the one that's right for you. You can invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, or you can choose to focus on specific sectors, such as technology or healthcare. Now that you know a little bit about Acorns, let's get back to the question of the minimum investment. The minimum investment required to start with Acorns is $5. This means that you can start investing with Acorns even if you don't have a lot of money to spare. Once you've made your initial investment, you can add more money to your account at any time. There is no minimum amount that you need to add each month. In addition to the minimum investment requirement, there are also some fees associated with using Acorns. These fees vary depending on the type of account you have. However, the fees are generally very low, so they shouldn't be a deterrent for most people. Overall, Acorns is a great way to start investing your money, even if you're on a tight budget. With its low minimum investment requirement and variety of investment strategies, Acorns is a great option for beginners and experienced investors alike. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.